Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Following the recent arrest of the leader of the Biafra Government in Exile, Simon Ekpa, people are asking questions on who is this Simon Ekpa. So we use this opportunity to give 10 points, 10 things you may not know about Simon Ekpa. Number one, he was in the military of Finland. He is therefore a Finland-trained military officer who is said to be combat ready based on his training over the years as a military officer in the Finnish military. Number two, he is a lawyer, and from my investigation, he is studying for his PhD in law right now, but he is a practicing lawyer in Finland, which many Nigerians who live in Finland have confirmed that he is a practicing lawyer in Finland. He understands the rudimentaries of the legal practices and the laws of Finland, which might also help him in his present case he has been tried or whatever following his arrest. So he is in a good position to provide legal services for himself, and he knows where to go to get legal service. Number three, he is married to a Finnish woman. His wife is Finnish. His wife is Finnish. His children are also Finnish. So he's married to a Finland woman. Number four, he is also a citizen of Finland. He enjoys all the rights and privileges that other Finnish citizens enjoy. Number five, he speaks Finnish excellently. I was made to understand. He doesn't only speak it, he writes it excellently too. So he is very brilliant in the Finnish language, both as a speaker and as a writer. Number six, he has lived in Finland for over 20 years. He has lived in Finland for over 20 years. Number seven, he is an elected councilor, equivalent of a local government vice chairman in Nigeria. For example, here in Abuja, he's an equivalent of vice chairman of Abuja Municipal Area Council. So he is a government official in Finland. He is a recognized government official in Finland. That was why, if you go to his bio on Wikipedia, everywhere, you see that his address as a Finnish politician. Number eight, most of the lawyers in the judiciary of Finland, he has a lot of friends, because he has practiced law in Finland for a long time, and he has a lot of people who are his classmates. That's what some Nigerians who are living in Finland also confirmed. So he is a government person. He's seen as a government official, and he understands the judicial system in Finland effectively. And a lot of people who are judges and what have you, they are his classmates. And also, because he's a Finnish citizen and has a wife who is Finnish, I was also made to understand that if the wife and the children go to the Finnish parliament, they can make a case for him. Number nine, he is an indigene of Ebonyi State. He is an indigene of Ebonyi State in southeast Nigeria. While number 10 is that Simon Ekpa is social media savvy. He knows how to use the social media effectively, and he has used it effectively to do his campaign. These are some of the top 10 information that could be of use to anybody who is inquisitive, who is asking questions. Who is this Simon Ekpa that is trending following his arrest by the Finnish government over alleged terrorism, incitement, or whatever? That's about him. And before now, many people have also heard about him, seen him on social media. Okay, so he's not a new face, but there are many people who don't know who he is. That is true. You have heard about somebody, but you don't know much about him. You only see him on social media talk about his agitation for Biafra, and you know he is the one that's they describe as the prime minister of Biafra government in exile, and he has been very vocal about his agitation for Biafra. And since Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of indigenous people of Biafra, had been in detention, he had been the one that people have been talking about, had been the one saying some of the things that Nnamdi Kanu used to say before. Of course, there are certain divergence. You have had the lawyer of Nnamdi Kanu say that Nnamdi Kanu does not want to sit at home anymore. But it's been alleged that Ekpa still supports sit at home and all that. These are some of the things you have to know about him. But we know that as his case develops, we'll have to talk more about himself and about the issues or any allegation that will come up against him. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.